Hello, students. This is me, teacher Bruno. And in today's class, we're going to study about quantifiers. Much, many, a lot of, little, and few. The quantifiers for quantities. So let's start with much and many. Much and many are used for large, big quantities. A lot of too, but we're going to get that in a moment. So much and many are used for large, for big quantities, large amounts. The questions are how much, for example, how much milk, how much time do you have to study English, how many books do you have? So much and many are used for nouns, unspecified, large amounts. Many is used for countable, things we can count. 1, 2, 3. One book, two books, one friend, two friends. Objects, things we can count. And much is used for things we can't count. Let's take a look at additional examples here. Countable nouns, they all have plural forms. Book, books. Countable, plural form. Friend, friends. Pen, pens. Plural form. And uncountable nouns, they don't have a plural form. Butter, we don't say butters. Sugar, we don't say sugars. We don't say times. We don't say energy. So time, money, and energy, for instance, uncountable. Abstract ideas, liquids, gases, things that are made of smaller parts. Sugar, rice, salt, they're made of smaller parts. Materials. Materials are also uncountable. Wood, glass, paper. Be careful, because in other languages, these nouns, maybe they're countable. But in English, that's not the case. Some food that can be cut into small pieces, bread, fish, cheese, we can cut into small pieces. So that's uncountable. With that in mind, let's return to our previous page. So many is used for uncountables and much is used for countables. There isn't much coffee. Coffee is made of small pieces, uncountable. Were there many people? People is the plural of person. One person, two people, three, four, five. We can count. If there's a plural form, many. Consequently, how much and how many are used to ask questions. How many books do you have? How many books did you read? Coffee is uncountable. How much coffee do you drink every day? I drink a lot of coffee. How much coffee do you drink? So coffee is uncountable. How much time do you have to study? Time is uncountable. How much is it? Price. Price is money itself, it's uncountable. A lot of, on the other hand, used for both countable and uncountable. She spends a lot of time watching TV. We had lots of good moments together, uncountable. But we can use for both, no problem. A lot of time, lots of good moments. Another observation here is about the opposites. So the opposite of many is fill, and the opposite of much is little. He has few good friends. Friends we can count, 1, 2, 10. There was little time to finish. We don't say one time, two times. We say 1 hour, 2 hours, so minutes, hours, days, and years. Yeah, countable. But time is not countable. There's a significant difference between fill and a fill, little and a little. A fill and a little with the article, it conceives a positive, a good idea. He has a few friends that will help. Well, that's very good. He has a few friends that will be there. I have a few days off next month. That's fantastic. I'm gonna travel. On the other hand, he has few good friends. That's a negative idea. Few people went to the concert. That's not a good idea. No article, bad idea. Article, good idea. I have a little milk you can use. Well, it's not that much, but it's enough. Positive idea. She has a little time to relax now. Not very much, but that's enough. So we use the article, positive idea. No article, negative idea. And that's it for today's class about countables, uncountables, and quantifiers. Thank you very much for watching this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you.